This video is sponsored by Squarespace, the all-in-one platform to build your awesome online presence. Thank you Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Check out what just came in the mail today. Oh yeah, silver plaque. 100,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Really appreciate it. This is awesome. Oh yeah. Today, I have a very special episode for you guys. So we're not doing outdoor chef life today. We're doing the indoor chef life. Been getting a lot of requests to show you guys what I do in the restaurant. So we're here right now at Hinata in San Francisco. And I have with me Chef Gavin, the owner and chef of Hinata. So he's gonna tell you a little bit about the restaurant and we'll go from there. All right, Chef.
Hey guys, welcome to Hinata. Hinata is an omakase sushi restaurant located on Van Ness. We open 6 days a week, Tuesday to Sunday, 2 seatings a night. We're serving the omakase menu, serve the fish. 90% of the fish from fish market in Japan. Menu change seasonally. Let's see what we have on the menu today.
All right, first let me just introduce you to the rest of the chefs. We have 2 other chefs here.
Oh, hi guys. Didn't notice you there. What's going on? I'm Kyle, and I'm here at Hinata preparing some of our thoughtfully crafted moriawase appetizers.
And we got Chef Master right here.
Already famous.
Yeah.
Cleaning some blood out. A lot of fish comes ungut, but 90% of the fish that we got usually comes in whole.
All right, so those are all the chefs. Let's get to the omakase. In Japanese, the term omakase means for you to trust someone else to make decisions or choices. In this case, you are entrusting the chef to choose the fish that will be served to you. This concept is one of the original ways of how sushi is served in Japan. At Hinata, when you come in, you can order a drink and we start with the appetizer as you saw. Then 12 pieces of the chef's selection nigiri, with each piece being made just moments before you eat it. After the initial 12 pieces, we have the option for you to add on supplements to the course or order a la carte. In omakase, seasons play a big role. Each season brings different fish so you can enjoy the best flavors depending on the time of year. We sequence the fish during the nigiri course depending on the flavors. We serve the lighter fish and leaner fish towards the beginning and serve more flavorful and fatty fish towards the end. With the modern addition of the torch, we're able to create more flavors by searing the skin, which brings out the fat content, making the fish even more flavorful. After you're satisfied with the amount of sushi you've had, we finish the meal with the miso soup made with the fish bone broth and a dessert of your choice: matcha panna cotta, black sesame ice cream, or yuzu sherbet. Thank you guys so much for watching this special episode. I hope you enjoyed it. And to those of you who have visited me here, thank you so much. I've probably met over 100 of you that visited me here. It was a pleasure meeting each and every single one of you. Thank you so much for coming. And if any of you watching want to come here, just make a reservation. You'll get to meet all these other chefs. Chef Kyle, Chef Master, and Chef Gavin. Most likely myself will probably not be here, but I'll get into that in the next video on Tuesday. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. And shout out to Carlos and Alex. Thank you guys for helping me film today's video. You guys are awesome. Thank you Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build your website. They have amazing modern template designs that have been created by their world-class design team. Check this out. I really like this Wexley one, and this basil one looks perfect for a restaurant website. Every design comes with the mobile version as well. You can even add open tables so your customers can make reservations straight from your website. Check out squarespace.com. For a free trial, go to squarespace.com/outdoorcheflife to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thank you again to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Peace.